Hey, so you see I took some photo like this, okay, then I work on it, and after that I make it look like this. So okay, I will show you how I work on it. Okay, I'm exporting my photo from my folder right now. Okay, I'm thinking which photo will be work much better with the on the thumbnail. Okay, so I'm thinking, okay, which one should I take. I'm just trying to think of it. I'm just finding there's lots of photo. Okay, so I'm confused kinda, that I don't know which one was it. There's lots of photo on it, so after I just find one at a time. Okay, and I drag them down onto my workplace. Okay, I'm finding one, which one I need. Okay, once I find the one I want, I just drag the photo from there, drop out here. It's easy. Okay, once I got all the photo I need. Okay, I got three photo right now. I need one more photo, and there we go, I got all the photo I need. Okay, now I'm gonna work on it. Now I'm removing the part I don't need. Okay, I'm using the tool called repair. Okay, so I'm using that, and I just fast forward the time because I don't want to waste you guys time. So after that I'm just increasing the resolution of the photo. Okay, so it look much better. So but you know what, I to this day I really don't know, does that even change anything? Like I can't even tell any difference of it after increasing the resolution or without the same thing. I have no idea, like does the thing even work or not? Like I can't even tell any difference on it. So now I was trying to type something, but for some reason something happened, and I don't know what just happened. Whenever I just dragging the text from one side to another side, the text just disappear. So it took me some time to understand what's going on. Okay, I was thinking like, what's going on here? Like something is wrong here. Then I was thinking what's wrong, then I find out, then I work on it. Okay, so after that I type one more time. Okay, then I thought it's gonna be good this time, so I type, and this time it's working. Okay, perfectly. So now you're gonna ask me what do you mean by 1 2, and I'm gonna type 3 4. I'm gonna explain. Okay, 1 minute, well, the first thing I do on the video. Okay, I jump. Okay, I jump, that's why I say 1 on the first. Okay, up there. And the second I did, I'll grab the monster. Okay, on the neck, on the air. Okay, and the third I throw him down on the ground. Okay, and the fourth he just fly away. Okay, run away. That's what I'm saying. So I explain everything without saying anything. Okay, it's the same thing. I explain everything without saying anything. Like I don't need to type anything on it. Okay, I just use the number. Okay, you can change the resolution from here. Okay, so I'm gonna change the resolution, or you can just export it. But for YouTube, okay, I'm gonna change the resolution because yeah, YouTube does not allow that much resolution. So I'm gonna make it this is perfect, and it's all safe. Thanks for watching.